So we will talk about error 5, communication timeout, RS485. So in your VFD, you are using one communication protocol, that is RS485, or sometimes it holds serial communication also. So there is a communication broken or communication timeout or communication fault between external device, like it could be the PLC, BMS, or whatever you are using, and in between your VFD. Okay, so there is an AST, so with that there is a issue. So what you need to check, you need to like first you need to try to power on your VFD, restart, like, and then check your another device is okay, like that is also in proper condition. And third, you need to check the cable, communication cable, what is there between into the both. So normally when you will do these 2 3 steps, okay, so with them only your problem will be resolved. Okay, so major chances are like it is because of cable or external device, whatever you are communicating with your VFD. So major chances are like that VFD is okay, but your another device that is power off, that is like there is issue in that. So you need to check from that way. If your problem is still not resolved, first you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with the screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.